Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Edgar again. And today we're gonna work on the S14. Let's take a look at it and get on with the install now. So here we have the Sea West front bumper for the S14. I also got the Sea West turn signals. It's gonna look so dope on it. Now this car's gonna look like the real 240. I'm gonna be making different videos, separate videos on all the car parts that I have on it. I also have a OEM rear bumper, but that'll be in a separate video. You guys are gonna have to check that out for the install. And all right, let's get to it now. All right, first thing you do is remove this, which you're gonna get a flathead. You twist it to the side and pop it off so you don't break these clips at all. After removing that little piece, you have these two bolts for the headlights. Right, the corner light on Cokies are gonna be like that, and it's gonna be attached to the headlight on top right here. So you take that off, you pop this open, and then on the headlights there's gonna be two more screws right here on each side. Remove those, and then you can remove the headlight. I just disconnected these. After that, you're gonna have to remove all these bolts. So starting from this one, all of them, they're all 10 mils. Do the same thing on the other side. And then inside the fender on Cokies, there's one more, which is like right here, one more, just one. You remove that, and now the bumper is ready to come off. Let's get to it. So after what I did is I removed the turn signal bulbs, and since this one had the fog lights, remove the little clip on them so I could just remove the front bumper now. All right, let's take it off now. Forgot about these two little bulbs, the little clips on the side for these, but there you go. Let's take this shit out. Oh, you got it out. Yes, let's go. Before installing it, we're gonna install these bad boys, the Sea West turn signals on this one right now. Oh, hell yeah. All right, so I just installed the turn signals. Come on, looking dope now. But I forgot I need a different connection because the USDM doesn't work. This one comes with two little bulbs on each side for one of them. So one right there and then one in this little corner. And now I need to order that. So I'm gonna install it and leave it like that until I get that part. All right guys, so I removed the front bumper. I already put it away for now. Also, I had to remove the crash bar for it because it was actually hitting. And so I removed it because the bumper is not fitting. Now I have to order a bash bar. Another video for this bad boy right now. About to install it right now too, but here's a little sneak peek of it. Damn. Little sneak peek of it. Hell yeah, that looks hard. I'm actually gonna also buy a crash bar for it because safety's first. I don't want to drive this car without a crash bar. OEM didn't fit, so now I have to go aftermarket, which is gonna be kind of dope because I'm gonna try to get that 3-way with the little jack point 2. But here's that little sneak peek of the front bumper. It looks so good, dude. It looks so good. I'm in love with it.